How to change the font size on a matplotlib plot. How does one change the font size for all elements, ticks, labels, title, on a matplotlib plot? I know how to change the tick label sizes. This is done with. But how does one change the rest?
From the matplotlib documentation. This sets the font of all items to the font specified by the Quargs object, font. Alternatively, you could also use their params update method as suggested in this answer. Or you can find a full list of available properties on the Customizing Matplotlib page.
If you are a control freak like me, you may want to explicitly set all your font sizes. Note that you can also set the sizes calling the rc method on matplotlib.
If you want to change the font size for just a specific plot that has already been created, try this.